Now, when you build your own customer list, this is really where your brand becomes really valuable, right? So an Amazon business, you can buy, a lot of people sell Amazon businesses, of course, but they don't sell for as much as a business that's been built through a Shopify store and Amazon, or just a Shopify store. And the reason why is because a lot of the times when you're selling your product on Amazon, then what happens is you don't necessarily get the list, the customer list, right? Amazon keeps that. So when you have your own Shopify store, and imagine you do 2 or 3 or 4,000 sales on your Shopify store, well, you have 4,000 customer emails, right? So you have 4,000 customer emails. Let me just make sure. All right, muted. All right, beautiful. Yeah, so you have 4,000 customer emails, right, that you can actually send to to promote new products, right? And Annie Allen was actually speaking. She said every time she sends an email to her list, she does $1,000 or $2,000 in sales every single time. We have a list, one of our baby brands, we have a list of 22,000 customers, right? We sent an email out the other day because we we're testing some new products. And what did we do, Nina? Do you remember the email list? We did about, I think in 2 days, we did about 3,000 or something like that in sales, just from that actual email list, right? So it's extremely important to build your email list. And the best way to actually build it is by having your own website and running your actual own ads to it. But another advantage of having your own list is the fact that you can now ask questions to your customers, right? So let's say, for example, you can do a customer survey, just like I did with you guys, and you filled out the Let's Get Real survey, and it gave me a really good understanding in terms of what you'd like and what you'd need. But when you have your own list, you can send an email out. And I was speaking to, I think it was Paul Fleming. I was speaking to him about this because he was telling me about how he's looking at launching. He's got another great brand, by the way. All these people have great brands, and I don't know about it, right? But basically, he was telling me and was asking me about a product idea that he has. He wants to launch to his list. Now he sells on his own website, and he was asking me what I think about this product or this product that he wants to launch next. And I said to him, how many people do you have in your email list? Because I think he just kind of started it recently. And he said he has about 220 people. I said, perfect. What you do is this. You send about 20 of them or 30 of them, your most recent customers, send them an email, a personal email from Paul. So I'm the founder of this. You bought my wallet. And this is what I'm thinking of doing. I'm thinking of launching another product similar to what you actually bought, but for this particular application, right? And see what they say to you. See if they'd like that idea, see if they don't like the idea. And what you can actually do by doing that is you're gonna actually gauge that if that idea is even worth launching or not, right? And they might give you an idea that you never ever thought of. So they might say, "Oh no, I'd love to see it on this particular, or I'd love to see that design on this particular product." Okay, perfect. And what you can do for that is you can give them. So when they actually answer the questions, if you launch the product, then what you could do is you could actually send them a complimentary product for participating in the actual survey, right? So you can say anyone who participates in this survey, and you can maybe only send it out to a segment of your list, let's say 50 people, and anyone who completes this survey to help us improve our products or launch our next products, then if we decide to launch that particular product or our next new product, we'll give you one complimentary, right? So it doesn't cost you anything at the beginning. And even at the end, if you're only paying $5 per unit for your product and you do it to 50 people, well, it's only costing you a few $100, right? Plus some shipping to do that research. But now you know for sure what what your customers actually want.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonline AussieOnlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.